Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the pulse of his stock market. So we will analyze the Nifty charts and we'll discuss index level for coming week. We'll discuss some important stock market news also and the reason for the stock market crash. And yes, all about the stock market in one video only. So to know the Nifty levels for coming week, stay connected till then and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for Nifty levels update and analysis and stock in news update. So let's start the video. It is going to be little in detail so that I can discuss all things happened last week, which is very important, and along with that, some important reasons for the fall, for the crash also. So what was happening in last week? The market fall. I mean, it was continuously the market was falling in every single day. I can say in every single day it was making a new low, and it was actually very disappointing. Very actually it was concerned for the investors and even for the trader also. You can come to the chart and see the chart. I will talk with the chart only so that you can understand nicely. This is the Nifty 50 chart. I'm going to discuss first, and you will not believe my last week support and resistance for the whole week. It has respected accurately the support and the resistance level again in the last week. I will give the video in the I button. You can check the analysis and you can check the how support and resistance worked even in last week also. So you see, I even have not erased this line, these lines which I made in last week. Also, I'm taking again this. Yes, my resistance level is new, but yes, I want to show you this was the old line in last week I made. See how perfectly, how accurately it was trading. It traded actually in last week. See this support here, it has taken support, and see here resistance. It has just stopped the this level. It has taken resistance at this level, and again give the actually it has given the good closing, but yes, resistance taken at the same place, which was 23,900. So you can see in front of you, I've kept all the things. Even you can watch the video also. The level was 23,000, around 300 to 350. This I have given around 23,350. See, since last week, even why since last week, I will say that from here, from the all time high, I every week video, I always tell the percentage of the falling, how much fall already happened, how much the market has fallen till now. So that is now from here, if we see 26,000 to 26,270 around, it has fallen to 23,350 exactly. If I 23,000 till 350, but the lowest point if I see, it is 23,263 exact. I'm running the number, but it was around 23,300, and that was my last important support, 23,300, and it has given closing above 23,350 the last day when it was means down. I think it is Thursday. So Thursday it was given close. It gave the closing above 23,350, and the lowest point was 23,265 around. So means it 23,300 around. It respected that support level since till last week. I'm talking about Friday. What happened? And yes, reason. Yes, I told that I will discuss the reason. So reason from here continuously falling. Here it was a yes election result, and after that, then again it started. That it was short covering, and after that it has again started falling, and the reason was. uh, two three reason I always discuss. First reason was that FIIs is continuously selling, heavily selling. They are not ready to buy even till now. They are just selling and selling only. Yes, DIIs are buying little, but they are not actually compensating that FIIs selling. So FIIs continuously selling. And there's one more reason that on this day, I guess Thursday or Wednesday, the Ukraine attacked. Actually, what a story was that day. Actually, this day I'm talking about, this day, which is 19th November, uh, Tuesday, I guess. Yes, Tuesday, where the 20th November was the holiday because of the Maharashtra election and Maharashtra voting, election voting, and this day was holiday. And just before day, that was 19th November, the good, actually good up move came, means from there it gave good move from here. It actually, this was the low, which is 23,350 was the low, and from here the next day it gave good move to this level, which is actually, I say, 23,780. 23,780 around this day. The market actually gave the good rally, but the same day it was all the rally hui thi, all the rally has gone even same day, and it came below and gave the closing even below the 20 EMA, which is 200 EMA line. This is this gave the closing below this 200 EMA, and that all the profit, all the rally hui thi, that all gone even one day, and it gave the not, it did not give the good closing. And after second next day, means after election day, voting day, this again came more down, means the again new low. Since here the every day you can see single, every single day it was the new low, 1 2 3 4 5. Geopolitical situation was there, like Ukraine attacked on Russia, I guess, somewhere. So that news you can see. I mean, that because of that, it this fall came. And the next day, after 20th, I mean 21st November, the Adani news came, where I will discuss in short that what the news was. We'll go through the whole news, that the USA court actually indicts Gautam Adani's and seven, I think they are his a brother. So they have actually indict the uh, these Adani group and the seven others for the bribery charges. That bribery means they have charged that uh, uh, 2,000 to 3,000. Somewhere I'm listening 3,000, somewhere 2,000, means 2,000, more than 2,000 crore bribery they have actually given to Indian officials. And Adani group refused to charges as baseless. That also this is understood, and that Adani actually denied for these baseless charges. And this was the main reason, that US court, and this is not Hindenburg, this is the US court, and all the documents in the written. And this is actually little serious, which I can say. These allegation, this is not actually, he has not convicted now, but this is only allegation which US court has put on the Adani and Gautam Adani and his group. Because of that, the same day, on this day I'm talking about, 21st November, 21st November, the Adani stocks actually uh, uh, fallen by even more than 10 15 and 20% that day. And means pura market cap, actually all the market cap of Adani group wiped off. That's why I never ever talk about these stocks, never discuss in my videos, because they are always related to some bad news, some dispute. And I even also stay away from these Adani's stock. So this was the second news, FII selling, and the third, geopolitical situation. So all that reason was for the stock market crash, since I'm talking about only last week. So this made you. So this was the low on the Thursday. But what happened this day? Nothing big news. It was only, we can say from here, it has taken a good support, 200 EMA support, and even broken this 200 EMA and touched the 20 EMA, which is this level. I made a resistance for this time, that this 20 EMA is the 24,000 level, this level, which is actually can act as a good resistance and psychological resistance also, even technical resistance also. So this can act as a good resistance for the nifty 50. And even this here, the 23,900 which I gave in the last week, it has touched this level and again taken resistance here and closed at a, I can say closed at a very good level. We can actually expect, if nothing big bad news is coming, as every single day some bad news is coming, like this day, and Dani news and FIS means every single day any news is coming and market is falling. But I'm expecting, if any bad news is not coming, market is looking good, gave a good move on the Friday. I expect if it is breaking 24,000, then it will come again in a uptrend. Not, it can start moving up, means breaking 20 EMA. This I'm expecting for the coming days, for coming weeks, that market is should actually take now reversal from here. I am expecting that it has taken a reversal if something bad is not happening. As you all know, the Maharashtra election also has announced, and the I'm not actually any talking about any party, but yes, market uh, was expecting the actually stable government, we can say. The market was expecting a stable government, so that the market is happy about this result, and it will give a good positive sign on Monday. I am expecting only, just because of this was the reason market is wanting a stable government in Maharashtra. So this can give a market a little boost for the further move. And yes, Monday we can see, we can check this level. 24,000 is very very crucial level. Breaking this, it means a break or make valley situation will come on here, this level. After that, yes, 24,500 will be the next resistance, which I am actually uh, expecting for even coming weeks and coming days. This resistance will work nicely for the Nifty 50. My support will remain at this level only, 23,300. Again, I am not going beyond it, because now in current situation I am not uh, expecting the more fall from here. If it's happening, if any bad news, big bad news, something from Russia, something from Ukraine, geopolitical condition, if anything, any bad news is coming, then I don't think it will survive here right now. In current situation, let me expect, let me hope for the good, for the market reversal from here. It's already, I just discussed that already, more than 11%, it means 11% to 12% fall already done, already happened. And this is a very very good correction for the long term investing. I always talk about long term investing. You can actually start now for the long term investing, for the good in some chunk, for good investment in the good stocks also. So Nifty level for coming week can be support 23,300 and resistance 24,500 after breaking 24,000 only. Now quickly let's discuss the Nifty Bank. In last week also, I made this box, this range box, which the Nifty Bank was trading, was consolidating. This level, earlier level was this, which I made in last week, 50,000 to 50 around. But on this day, which is actually 13th November. Yeah, this week, this last week, I can say this broken this Nifty Bank broken this level and give the closing even below that, and this level has been broken. Now from here, this the low was 51,000, and then this 49,900 around Nifty Bank was taking support in last week. Be mindful with this level, which is very important, 49. So be mindful with this level, which is very important, 49,900. 49,900 can actually may act as a very good support. In last week it has acted like here, 40 from here, here, then here, and from here it has taken little bit up move, means continuously 3 days it has taken a good up move from here, this 49,900. And again, and that day the news came for the Ukraine and Russia, and that Adani news came. That day it has again fallen to it made new low of the 49,800 around, but still I'm taking this support is important, which is 49,900. And again on Friday it has also given a very good move, even very good closing also, even above that, above than this line 51,000, 51,000 के ऊपर क्लोजिंग दिया है, which is 51,135, and which is actually very good closing for the Nifty Bank. I'm not expecting any fall from here. If it's falling, it's still it will not break this level, which is 49,900 to 800. Both level is very important, so please be mindful with the both level. As in the detailed video I discussed the so many level, but in final video I discussed only two important support and resistance. But this level 49,900 to 800 is very important for the Nifty Bank. I don't think next week, as I'm talking about short term, I don't think next week it should break this level if any big bad news is not coming. So this can be a good support, and this again will be a important resistance, which is very far, 52,500, which is very far, which is 52,500 around. I am thinking like it is going to that resistance. Here it will face definitely a big and strong resistance in Nifty Bank. So Nifty Bank level for the coming week can be support 49,900 and resistance 52,500 around. Along with Nifty 50, Nifty Bank, some important index more, which is actually showing very good positivity, showing very good up move. I will discuss that also in short. Chart may I will show you this Nifty Auto looking very good. You can see this has broken last Friday. It has broken this 200 EMA. Sorry, this has broken 200 EMA, and which is very good sign for the Nifty auto. And now I think it will go above this till this level, which is 24,300. 24,300 around it will reach very soon. If it's not falling back to this level, it should not break this 200 EMA. Keep in your mind and be mindful this level 20 sorry, 200 EMA should not, actually Nifty Auto should not break this, so it will give a good move. Nifty Auto stock looking very good. You can keep your eyes on the auto stock, keep in your watch list, watch the movement of these stock, all the Tata Motor and M&M, all auto stock you can keep in your watch list to watch all that stock, because Nifty Auto is here, from here looking good for the good up move in coming weeks, coming days. Other than that, means Nifty 50, Nifty Bank, and Nifty Auto. Other than that, we can discuss some Nifty IT. Nifty IT is also very good. If you check, it is trading above 20 EMA, which is very good sign. Nifty IT stocks you can keep in your watch list. You can watch these stocks at this level. You can go for buy on dip for the long term investment in a good fundamental strong stock. You should keep watch on these these sectors. So this was all I wanted to discuss. I guess video has become long, but it was important to discuss. So please go through with the whole video. Do not jump in, so that you can get all the information, the data, and the everything about the stock market. So finally, Nifty 50 support 23,300, resistance 24,500 only after breaking 24,000, and Nifty Bank support 49,900 and resistance 52,400 for the next week. And some important index I discussed, the Nifty Auto, Nifty IT, all should you keep in your watch list. So like and share the video for the others also for the more reach. And yes, subscribe the channel for regular stock market analysis, Nifty update, and stock in news update. Signing off.